Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are back again with a good news for all the PUC and SSLC students out there, that we have started a crash course for all of you which will help you to increase your marks in your academics and shine brighter and brighter than other students. So this is a crash course exclusively for PU and SSLC students, where we give them their customized model papers, customized question banks, customized syllabus for them according to the point of view of the board, PU board and SSLC board. According to their point of view, we have customized the things. So now visit our YouTube channel to get the brief information regarding this, and message on the following numbers to get this opportunity for you all to start your crash course. So Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.